Morning guys, Nick here with Impeccabilities powered by Kaizink screen print and embroidery. Today I'm going to show you how we print above a pocket. So first thing you're going to want to do is run yourself a test print. Once your test print comes around, in this particular case we're going to be going an inch above the pocket. So what you want to do is you want to get yourself a ruler. You're going to measure an inch down from the bottom of your graphic, right, and then apply a laser. Then you're going to measure the width of your graphic, and you're going to apply a laser at the center of your image. So in this case, we have our graphic is 3.5. I applied my laser at 1 3/4 inches. 1 3/4 inches is going to give us our center. And so I'm going to bump this over just a little bit. There we go. 1 3/4 inches. Now, every time that we're going to load one of the garments, all you would simply do is just load your garment normal. Now this time we're going to use this laser is going to be, you're going to line your top of your pocket up to that laser. And then your vertical laser, you're going to line it up to the point of your pocket here. There we go. So we know the center of our graphic is going to print right in the center of the pocket. And knowing that this is the bottom or this is going to be the top of the pocket, we're already measured 1 inch down, so we're going to be 1 inch up from the pocket. So it's going to be centered and 1 inch up. Thanks, guys.